Yeah, hi guys. Say I found a solution. Let us go with this app, okay? This app, okay? Tools QA, demoqa.com. See now what is a change I have done, right? See here, I have defined simple XPath. To click on this card first on the home page. Yeah, this is the home page. When you launch the URL, you are getting into this home page, right? Here you have to click on this button, okay? Card. So for this element, see how I defined XPath. Simple XPath I defined, and it is working fine. Guys, see here, I selected this button. For this element, okay. Guys, see here, if you observe this, right, just I will explain, try to understand. See here, this is the first, these are the list of all cards. See that if I select this particular element, guys, all of you are able to see my screen, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
okay,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
Yeah, okay. Guys, see here, if I select this element, it is selecting the whole page. That means all the cards in the web page are selected, right? When I come here, see that this division element is selecting only first card, and it is second card, and it is third card, fourth, fifth, sixth, like that, correct? So now what I do, see that I defined XPath like this. First, I'm getting this element. See how I'm getting this element? See that my XPath here, / division at class is equal to category cards. See, that is a class name for this element. Class is equal to category cards. So there is only one element with this class name. You got it, guys? So we are getting this element first. From this element, I want to find, say inside this element, there are 6 division elements are there. All these 6 division elements are child elements. All of you clear? These are all child elements for this division element. So inside this, each division element is representing each card. Understand, guys? See that different card is getting highlighted in the application, right? So now I want to click on the first card. So I want to click on first division element. That's it, right? To click on second card, I want to click on the second division element. So that is the logic now I'm using. First, I'm finding this element by using this class attribute. After that, from this element, I want to go to first child element. I want to go to first child. I want to click the first child element inside this division element. So that is how now I defined XPath, guys. See, look at that here. It is the first element, division, with the class value, category cards. It is the first parent element. So inside this parent element, see slash, if I use slash, single slash, what is that meaning? This element is child element for this division. All of you clear, guys? If you define a single slash, what is that meaning? The next following element, this element is a child element of this parent element. That is meaning of that in XPath. So inside this child, I want to select first element, first child. So that is why I'm giving here 1 inside square brackets. I want to find first division child element. All of you clear, guys? This is the meaning of this XPath now. So now it is clicking this specific button directly, guys. And now let me run this now. So it is clicking this button. After that, what we are doing, we are waiting for 5 seconds. And then we are clicking checkbox item. Then we are selecting the checkbox. Is waiting for 5 seconds, okay? After that, it should click that button. Let us see. Yes. Yeah, it is clicking now. Then it should click again, waiting for 5 seconds. See, it is clicking checkbox item, and that checkbox is selected. All of you got it, yes? Now it is working perfectly, guys. So you can practice this script, guys, for checkboxes. Okay, guys. After checkbox, right, you have links also. Link, I think so. We already know that how to work with link. To select the link, what is the method you can use? Click is the method. Okay, guys. To click on the link or to click on the image or to click on the button. Okay, for all click actions, click is the method. So that is a simple. Still, that also you can use it here. I think here buttons are available. Scroll down. You can click these buttons and see here. You can try this also, guys. Try this, guys. See, I want to see that valid locators are available or not. Okay. Yeah, valid locators, direct locators are available. ID is available. No problem. Okay. For this also, ID is available. No issues. For this button here, see item 4, you can use this one, guys. LI, you have to use LI with ID. Got it, guys? To click this buttons, you have to use this LI with the ID attribute. You can click this. So even though, right, it is highlighting this SVG and span, no, don't worry. You don't take this as SVG and span elements to click this button, menu item. These two elements are inside this LI element. So if you click on this LI element, automatically it clicks on button, no problem. Okay, guys. So you can use this button. Guys, can you automate this, right? Buttons, and similarly for links also. For links also. See, these are all links, hyperlinks. It should be hyperlink. See that? Is it hyperlink or not? Yeah. A is defined. So it is hyperlink. Okay, guys. So here you can use normal link text or okay, a partial link text, anything you can use to click these links.
We will do it for buttons today, and we'll see surroundings somehow.
Yeah. Okay, guys. If you click me this, simply it is coming this message. Okay, guys. It will display message. What is the button you click? That's all. You have done a dynamic click, right click me. That's all. Yeah. Okay, guys. So can you please complete this checkbox script first? After that, you have to write a script for buttons to click on buttons from this buttons menu, and then try links also. Okay, guys. So any doubts, guys? Now in today's we covered mainly only checkbox. That's all, right? Checkbox only. For checkboxes, we have tried with the different applications. Guys, those applications and all we can see later. After discussing right XPath in detail, then you can go with redbus.in or any other application. You can go with any application. Okay. So now time.
Checkbox and radio button.
Pardon, ma? Hello?
Checkbox and radio button we saw today.
Checkbox and radio button?
Yeah.
No, what is your
I'm saying like today we covered checkbox and radio button.
Radio buttons and checkboxes, right?
Yeah.
We covered these two topics. Radio buttons, checkboxes, and what else elements? We have different types of elements. Generally, right, we have links, buttons, checkboxes covered, drop downs covered, radio buttons covered, and web tables. Okay, guys, that is also one important thing. Web tables. Before discussing web tables, we should know XPath for that also. So after this, right, next session, we will discuss in detail XPath. That is most important. Yes, XPath topic is very important because right in the real-time applications, you don't find ID and name attributes for all web elements. So 99%, right, we will be using only XPath in the real-time project. The locator, what we will be using 99% XPath. Even ID and name available also, we always define XPath. So that much important XPath, understanding of XPath, how to define XPath. Okay, guys, you should know that very much, very important, the topic. So tomorrow we'll start with the XPath one. After that, we'll cover other elements like web tables. That is the one more important web element. Frequently, we'll be working with in the real-time projects. Yeah. Okay, guys. Any questions, guys, today? In today's session, we covered radio buttons only. I have given the notes here, right? Yeah. I will add here checkbox notes also. And that script also I will copy here and snapshot, and I will share this document, guys. Write a script.
Sir, in demo.qa site, we need to click on elements, right?
Yeah, that is what we are doing, right?
Yeah, there we can see the class name.
Then we can see.
There we can see the class name as category cards.
Yeah, right. Category cards. We are using that category cards.
So we can do that by calling like by dot class name and all that. Can we try like that, or we need to write only XPath?
You should use XPath. Why you should use XPath here? See that. I will show you that. Yeah. See, this is the element, right?
Yes, sir.
See, this element is here.
Okay.
See, this is the element, okay? This
Okay,
is
sir.
the division element. For this division element, you don't have class unique class value. See, what is the class name? Category cards is not the first button. Understand? Category cards. It is not the first button. It is the list of all buttons. This is the first button element, and it is second button element.
So here we have card MT-4 top cards, right? So we can take it is by dot class, and we can mention card MT4.
See here.
Okay, sir. It is common, like for.
Yeah. If you use by dot class name with the find element method, what will happen now?
Yeah, it is common for all the things. Got it.
Yeah, that is why we are using XPath. Okay.
Yeah.
See, I want to identify this element. By using this class name, we can't identify uniquely because the same class is there for all the buttons.
Yes.
So that is why we are using XPath. Okay. So that XPath already I defined here. You can use same XPath. See, to click next second button, then you have to change the XPath. Suppose if you want to click this alerts and frames button, then you have to click on this one, right? It is
we have to click on that one, and we need to give as a third.
It is a third element. So XPath we should change in the XPath. Instead of giving 1 here, it should give 3.
The child has 3 we need to.
Yeah. That means it clicks on third child element.
Yes.
Understand? That is the meaning of third. So this is the third division. It is the first, second, third one. Got it? So that's what, see, once you are familiar with this XPath, how we define the XPath for different elements, right? Then you can understand that easily, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, time being, just you don't worry about this XPaths and all. Right after completion of our XPath discussion, you will get a very clear idea about XPaths, and you can start easily defining XPath.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys, and you complete right this checkbox script and radio button script, whatever I have shown, I have given in the document. Apart from that, you have to create links, buttons, and links, guys. 2 more things you have to complete in the demo QA application. Okay. I will write that in the document, and I will share this updated document, guys.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys, that's it for today. And if anybody is having any queries, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can drop off. Guys, if you don't have any questions, you can drop off. If anybody is having any questions, you can ask me. I will be there for another 5 minutes in the call. means so, so repeat. Okay, see, using attribute. Child child element person setting. multiple attributes. Parent. Next one. Next one. Using background. Using parent. Using this ancestor. Using attribute. Using child element. Using multiple attributes. Using text. Using context. Using elements where they starts with following the contents again. Preceding ancestor. Parent. And descendant.